Hey there, job seekers! Welcome back to TemplateMonster channel, the place where we bring you valuable insights to supercharge your design and development career. Today's topic is something we all can't avoid, a resume. So if you ever thought about how to make your resume stand out, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deeper into this topic and tell you about current resume trends that will make your CV shine. And at the end of this video, we'll share some insights from Tanya Lark, the lead of TemplateMonster Human Resources team. So, let's begin. To kick things off, we need to review some basics. A resume is your personal marketing tool. It's not just a list of your achievements. It's a snapshot of your professional story, and here's how you should structure it. First things first, keep it simple, concise, and truthful. No room for exaggeration. Your resume should reflect your education, skills, and expertise. Start with your name, add a professional photo, and contact info. Phone and email will do. No need to share your home address. Next, state your goal. Make it clear what position you're after. Moving on, highlight your main skills. Showcase your professional knowledge and achievements. Education is crucial, but don't worry if you lack formal IT education. It's about skills, not just degrees. Work experience follows. Detail your relevant accomplishments. And, of course, additional information like language skills, licenses, or travel flexibility, but keep it job relevant. Now, let's talk aesthetics. Remember, less is more. Your resume shouldn't be a novel. Stick to 1 or 2 of 4 pages. Use clean, modern fonts like Calibri or Arial. Say goodbye to Times New Roman. It's so last century. Keep font size between 10 and 12 points. Bold or underline titles and use numbered lists for responsibilities. And here's a pro tip. Check for spelling errors. A resume with mistakes is like a ship with leaks. It won't sail far. Last but not least, the power move, the portfolio. If you don't have one, consider creating it. It's a visual testament to your skills. Showcase projects, highlight accomplishments, and let your work do the talking. A well-crafted portfolio can be your secret weapon in a competitive job market. Here's a pro tip. Honesty is the best policy. Don't list skills or experiences you don't have. The truth always comes out. Imagine landing an interview and being caught off guard with questions about something you're not familiar with. Not cool, right? So keep it real and set yourself up for success. Format matters, people. Don't share an editable CV. Convert it to PDF or another non-editable format. Why? Because you don't want someone else messing with your data. There are some stories of CVs being edited and presented as someone else's. And you don't want that, right? Now, let's talk about cover letters. It's like the best friend to your CV. They go stronger together. A cover letter gives you the chance to dive deeper into your experiences and show off your personality. It's your opportunity to shine and stand out from the crowd. Hiring experts sift through hundreds, if not thousands, of CVs, so it's important to stand out. You can easily do it by tailoring your CV to the specific job. Express your desire to join that particular team and business. Don't send a generic document. Make it clear that you're the perfect fit for the vacancy. You can also tailor your resume to the style of the company you want to work for. Yes, you heard it right. It's a new trend that's catching everyone's eye. Imagine how impressive it would be if your potential employer could immediately relate to your resume's format. If you're a developer, your ideal resume is not a piece of paper. It's a website. The structure, design, and yes, even the code represent you. Craft an interactive and visually appealing digital presence that not only highlights your technical prowess, but also reflects your unique style and personality in the world of coding. A touch of color and a pinch of creativity in CV design is also a good idea. But here's a catch. You need to find that sweet spot, the color that will stand out but not blind the hiring manager. If you have recently graduated, it is not superfluous to write the subject of your diploma thesis and the average score. Specify IT courses you have taken and provide examples of your work. And now, as promised, we want to share some insights from Tanya Lark, lead of TemplateMonster Human Resources team. Here are the top qualities she and her team will look for in candidates in 2024. A solid understanding of multiple programming languages, continuous learning to keep up with the rapidly changing world of technology, being a team player who fosters collaboration and enhances communication, a sufficient level of English and excellent communication skills, self-motivation and initiative. And there you have it, friends. The recipe for a resume that stands out in today's job market. Remember, it's not just about qualifications. It's about presenting yourself in the best light possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more career-boosting tips. Good luck on your job hunt and see you next time on our channel.